kwa huo wimbo. Naomba tuweze kuketi. Mheshimiwa Rais, sasa naomba unikubalie nimwalike His Excellency the Prime Cabinet Secretary Honorable Musalia Mudavadi to make his remarks. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali akija katika jukwaa.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Madam Rachel Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Professor Kindiki Kithure, Your Excellency, Madam Joyce Kithure, the Honorable Chief Justice, the Speaker of the National Assembly and the Speaker of the Senate, leaders of our forces, members of Cabinet, the Governor of Nairobi, members of the legislature, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the diplomatic corps present, na Wakenya wote, hamjambo. Hamujambo. Your Excellency, let me take this opportunity to be among the first to congratulate Professor Kindiki Kithure on his elevation to the position of Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. He has now shed off the word designate. He is now substantive. And we all congratulate you and your family for this very honorable position that His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya has assigned you. And we wish you Godspeed, God's help, good health, and all the wisdom so that you can discharge your responsibilities with excellence. Your Excellency, we are gathered here on a bright morning, bright sunny morning. And I just want to draw the symbolism of where we are. We are on the grounds of KICC, Kenyatta International Conference Center grounds. On my right is the judiciary. On my left is the legislature. In front of me is the symbol of the Capitol. And behind us is the symbolism of the executive. Your Excellency, we stand here proudly as a nation to actually show and to prove to the Kenyans who ushered in the 2010 Constitution with a 70% majority, and to the international community, that our institutions work. I would like to repeat that our institutions work. There may be challenges. The wheels may take a little longer to turn, but at the end of the day, the legislature has done its bit, the judiciary has done its bit, everybody gets a chance to be heard if they are aggrieved, and finally, the executive can move on. We are a country that respects the rule of law. Finally, Your Excellency, I think it is important for us to reflect on the journey ahead. We have had a tumultuous 2 years, and there are moments that Kenyans have accused us of having removed our eyes off the ball. This is a moment, a great moment, for us to retrace our steps, get together, have a unity of purpose, have the resolve and the will, and to focus so that we can deliver for the Kenyan people as they requested us to do when they cast their vote 2 years ago. In Professor Kindiki, we see a lot of virtue, but perhaps the one I may want to single out is the virtue of humility. And simplicity. He does not walk around with airs around him. This is a very important virtue. If, as a nation, we can embrace humility, we will go far. If you disregard humility, it can be very expensive. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my honor to ask the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Professor Kithure Kindiki, to come forward and make his remarks, and thereafter invite His Excellency the President to speak to us. Makofi tafadhali.
Your Excellency, President